So as Bitcoin hits Bukele's poll numbers. So guys, I'm going to be checking out this article. It says SFS President Nayib Bukele commands an approval rating of 85.1% according to a poll in a national newspaper. So Le Prensia Graphical's research indicates that 11.7% of adults disapprove of his work so far, while the remaining 3.2% are not sure, which makes it about 14.9% individuals. So women, people in rural areas, and those on low incomes or a basic level of education are most likely to be satisfied with Bukele. When it comes to the types of people who are unsatisfied, they tend to be men, those who live in the capital San Salvador, and people who have a higher level of education or monthly income of over $1,000. So 85.1% approval rating is markedly higher than what was enjoyed by Bukele's predecessors when they were 2.5 years into their term. But while this figure is still impressive, the newspaper noted it is one of the lowest since its term began. So, guys, you want to check out CMC's podcast? It's available on Apple and more. It's usually very informative. So, why do we care actually? Of course, interested in these figures because how Bukele controversially introduced the BTC law, which made the cryptocurrency a legal tender in El Salvador. The newspaper wrote, the poll suggests that the president's actions against the country's democratic institutions, his clashes with the United States, and adoption of an unpopular measure such as the use of BTC have not greatly altered his image before the population. So La Prensa Graphica went on to claim that voters appear to see BTC as one of Bukele's failures, but this is not taking its toll on the president, or at least it does not weigh as much as his achievement. So guys, Shubaki, thanks for watching. Hope you find this informative. Feel free to let us know what you feel in the comment section. Peace out, guys. Stay safe.